Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk about new battery technology from our partners at DeWalt Tools. Cordless tools are a must-have whether you're a professional or a DIYer, and the battery that you use in those tools is very important. DeWalt has introduced their new PowerStack technology. Now, what's unique about this battery is, first of all, there's over 250 current tools that use their 20-volt system. This is an example of the PowerStack. As you can see, the battery is smaller in size, but it has more power within it. So if you're using this in an existing DeWalt tool that you have, you can fit into tighter spaces. With the new stackable lithium-ion technology, you get 50% more battery power. So when you're working and have to use the tool time after again, this PowerStack will give you more power, and it's 25% smaller than its existing battery. Now, if you have an existing 20-volt tool like this, this is a cordless circular saw. This is the traditional battery that has been out by DeWalt. You take that new PowerStack and it fits right into the tool. So you don't need to invest in a new tool, you just need to invest in a new battery that's going to help you work longer and get more performance out of your existing DeWalt cordless tools. Coming up next, my video on 3 uses for a cordless drill.